All right, so round 2 on this Limon, Limon, whatevs. So you saw the other video, not much has changed there. Bend Lux down the middle. This is a Bitro, kind of weird assembly. As far as the letters are concerned, the only thing that's changed from the other video is I've gone number 440 rather than number 6. So, and I can't remember, I believe that these were ordered. So check the shelf, check the boxes. There should be some number 440s, 1 inch long, and the brass inserts. So, and then also just for review, the polycarbonate gets a gold translucent because they want yellow out the back and they want white out the front. So, and look for your notches here. In order to know which way's up on these things like this apostrophe or whatever, you've got this guy here, or tilde. So look for these little notches. That lets the water out, but that lets you know which way's up. So backers go to first shop to get vinyled, and the backers are not going to be assembled to the faces in the factory. I mean, unless you want to, but the backers for refreshment, refreshing. They go to the wall first with blue screws, and then the install crew is going to use the number 4s to assemble them in the field. So these aren't going to be going out assembled like our usual Bitro letters. As a matter of fact, they're going to have to, if you remember from the other one, you're going to have to decide, who puts these together in the field. The connections for the leashes need to be done in the field. So the main reason for this, though, is this power supply box. As usual, funkiness abounds here. So I was going to try a nano like we do, but even a nano is not going to work. It's going to be too big. So this one actually has to go into the wall. So in order to do that, this is a lay of the land like we do. You're going to just look for this part here, backer, front, modified switch plate, and a little mounting spot for a Keystone 12 volt because you're using your Bendlux 12 volt. Yeah. So super simple. You're going to bend up 1, 2, 3. You're going to bend this up, and you're going to bend this up 1, 2, 3. Switch plate gets riveted right to the end of this. And this is the hole right here to allow power in. And then since this thing is going to spend its life trapped inside a wall, I gave as much breathability as possible. So you've got these holes here and you've got these holes here. That allows air out. And I also left the corners. If you notice here, the blue and the red stop, these will be open slots. So the corners of this box are completely open up to a 1/2 inch to both allow wires out for secondary and also just to give maximum ventilation. So basically when it's completely together like this, it'll be almost like a cool little cigarette case. You're going to bend up that one piece, this piece here. Then you're going to go ahead and attach the power supply to it and go ahead and put your green, connect that for your bonding. And then from underneath, from the outside, you're going to hit it up with some number 10s. And the number 10s will attach from the outside and screw that down. So that way the power supply kind of sits in there sideways. Then you're just going to use 2 number 10s to put the lid on. So it creates its own box. 2 pieces come together. And then should they choose to use this, that could be for flex. So in the wall, install can bring in MC flex, attach it there. Make your connections inside, turn the switch on, and then this will help guard it, and then just put it in the wall. And hopefully that's enough ventilation, and hopefully that all works out. So, but like I say, so that's the main thing, just explaining that and just explaining these guys. So should be good. That's it. If you have any questions, hit me up.